Using Cash App without a card in store is a convenient option for those who prefer not to carry a physical card or have not received their card yet. To start, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device and that you have an active account. First, ensure your account is funded by adding money to your Cash App balance. You can do this by linking your bank account or debit card to the app and transferring funds. Once your account is funded, you can use the money in your Cash App balance to make purchases in store. To use Cash App without a card, you will need to use the Cash App QR code. To access the QR code, open the Cash App and tap on the $sign icon at the bottom center of the screen. Then, tap on the QR code icon. When you are at the store, let the cashier know that you want to pay using Cash App. They will then scan the QR code displayed on your mobile device. The QR code is unique to your account and will link the transaction to your Cash App balance. After the cashier scans the QR code, you will be prompted to confirm the transaction on your mobile device. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the merchant. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that not all merchants accept Cash App QR code payments. Before attempting to use Cash App without a card, check with the merchant to confirm they accept this form of payment. Best practices for using Cash App without a card include keeping your mobile device charged and ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Additionally, always review the transaction details carefully before confirming to avoid any errors. In summary, using Cash App without a card in store is a straightforward process that involves funding your Cash App balance, accessing the Cash App QR code, and having the cashier scan the QR code to complete the transaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy the convenience of using Cash App without needing a physical card.